Welcome to the POAS Desk. You own property in Dubai but live in London, Mumbai, or Toronto. A buyer is ready to sign and you can't be there. Or you're relocating and need someone to handle tenancy agreements, banks, and government authorities. Or you run a UAE business and need a trusted person to sign contracts, process visas, or renew licenses while you're away. In every case, one document makes it legally possible. A power of attorney. A power of attorney, or POA, is a legal document in which one person, the principal, authorizes another person, the attorney or agent, to act on their behalf in specific matters. You are not transferring ownership or giving up your rights. You are simply granting legal authority within the exact limits you set. The agent can only do what the POA explicitly allows. In Dubai and the UAE, POAs must be in Arabic or have a certified Arabic translation, be notarized by a licensed notary, and, if issued outside the UAE, usually require Embassy and Ministry of Foreign Affairs attestation. These are mandatory. A peer that doesn't meet them will be rejected by the Dubai Land Department, banks, courts, or any government authority. There are two main types. A general power of attorney gives broad authority over financial, legal, business, and property matters. It is useful for ongoing representation, but it has one key limitation. General POAs for the sale of real estate can only be granted to a first-degree relative, spouse, parent, or child. For anyone else, a friend, lawyer, or service provider, you must use special POAs. A special power of attorney grants authority for one specific action. It is the standard document for property sales in Dubai. It must name the exact property, title deed, number, plot, developer, location, and clearly state the powers granted, for example sell, transfer, and receive proceeds. A special power of attorney grants authority for one specific action. It is the standard document for property sales in Dubai. It must name the exact property, title deed, number, plot, developer, location, and clearly state the powers granted, for example sell, transfer, and receive proceeds. Other common types include corporate PO, as for company matters, vehicle POAs, and bank account POAs. Each has its own requirements. You typically need POAs in these situations, as an overseas property owner selling or managing a Dubai property, as an expat leaving the UAE with accounts, a car, or tenancy to handle, as an international investor buying off-plan or secondary market property, or as a business owner who needs someone to process visas, renew licenses, sign contracts, or represent the company. Without a valid POA, property transfers stop at the Dubai Land Department. Banks will not let a third party operate your account, lawyers cannot represent you in court, deals stall, and opportunities are lost. The UAE system runs on notarized documents. Here's how the process works. First, confirm the correct type for your exact need. Second, draft the document in Arabic or bilingual, with full passport details and exact property information where required. Third, notaries, either in person at the Dubai court's notary, or remotely via Dubai's e-notarization system using a secure video call and one-time passcode. Most overseas clients use the remote route. Fourth, complete any additional attestation if needed, usually avoided with e-notarization. Finally, receive the digital document and use it with the relevant authority. Most POAs are completed within 3 working days when using remote notarization. A general POA has no automatic expiry unless you specify one. It stays valid until revoked or the principal passes away. Property sale POAs are limited to a maximum of 2 years. Property purchase POAs can last up to 5 years. Some banks and authorities only accept documents notarized within the last 12 to 24 months. Once the purpose is complete, you should formally revoke the POA with a notarized notice. To recap, a power of attorney lets someone act for you within clear limits. In Dubai, it must be correctly drafted, notarized, and in Arabic. General POAs are broad. Special POAs are precise and required for most property sales. The whole process can be done remotely in just a few days. If you need a POA for property sale, purchase, bank accounts, or corporate matters, start at poas.ae. Fixed fees shown upfront. Correct type, confirm before you pay. Executed through court-licensed notaries and delivered digitally. Property Sale and Management POAs, AED, 2,199. Bank Account POAs, AED, 1,999. Corporate POAs, AED, 2,199. In Episode 2, we dive deeper into general versus special POAs rules and the mistakes that can kill a transaction. Subscribe, save this episode, and share it with anyone handling Dubai property from overseas. It could save them a lot of time and stress. I'm Patrick. Thanks for joining me at the POAS Desk. See you in Episode 2.